Hello student, this is a question from Maths Olympiad question. 2 raised to power m minus 2 raised to power n equal to 8064, and you need to find value of m and n. For solving this question, first of all we write the question 2 raised to power m minus 2 raised to power n equal to 8064. Because base is 2 here, so that m will be greater than n, because the difference of 2 raised to power m minus 2 raised to power n is 8064 and base is same, so m will definitely greater than n. Okay, and now we assume m equal to n plus something, let we take k. Okay, now we can write here 2 raised to power m, we can write m as n plus k minus 2 raised to power n equal to 8064. Okay, now we can write it as 2 raised to power n, 2 raised to power k minus 2 raised to power n equal to 8064. Okay, now we are solving here. 2 raised to power n is common, 2 raised to power n common. Now it is 2 raised to power k minus 1 equal to 8064. Now we can break 8064 as factorize 8064, prime factor 2 4 ja 8, 2 0 0, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 0 0, 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2 0, 2 8 ja 16, 2 5 ja 10 0, 2 4 ja 8, and 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, and 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, and it is 3, 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja, and 7 1 ja. Okay, now we can write it as 2 raised to power n, and it is 2 raised to power k minus 1, and we can write 8064 as 2 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 2 raised to power 7 into it is 3 raised to power 2 and 7, it is 63. Okay, and it is 63. Now we can see here, we can compare 2 raised to power n equal to, comparing 2 raised to power 7. Now n is equal to 7. Okay, and second part is here 2 raised to power k minus 1 equal to 63. Okay, now we can write it as 2 raised to power k equal to 63 plus 1, 2 raised to power k equal to 64. 2 raised to power k equal to 64 is 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 34, 2 raised to power 6. We can write 64 as 2 raised to power 6. We can compare. Now k is 6 and n is 7. We can see here n is, we can write here n is 7 and k is 6. And first we have taken m equal to n plus k. Now m is 7 plus 6. Now m is 13. Now we find we have two values, m is 13 and n is 7. So this is our required value, m is 13 and n is 7. So this is the solution of this question, and very tricky question you can see, and we have done very simplified way, so you can see. Thank you very much. Subscribe this channel and share to your friends. Thank you.